As you're treated to a breathtaking view of Earth from space, imagine the sheer scale of our planet and how it's suspended in the vastness of the universe. It's a sight that can be both humbling and unsettling, especially when you realize that what we consider normal on the ground might look completely alien from above. The way sunlight glints off clouds, or how the curvature of Earth becomes starkly visible, can make even the most seasoned astronauts feel like they're witnessing something otherworldly. When you step back from the immediate beauty of this view, there's a strange sense that everything is slightly off. The colors are more vivid, the atmosphere seems to shimmer with an almost unnatural glow, and the silence is deafening. No birds chirping, no traffic noise, just the hum of technology and the occasional crackle of static. It's like Earth has been put on pause, and you're watching it from a place that feels both far away and intimately connected. This perspective can make even the most mundane things look strange or eerie. A city's lights blinking in unison could resemble a giant pulse of life, while a thin line of clouds curling around the edge of Earth might appear like a ghostly boundary separating our world from the unknown. It's not just about what you see. It's about how your brain tries to make sense of it all against such an alien backdrop. In this moment, astronauts often find themselves questioning their place in the universe. The vastness of space can feel both awe-inspiring and terrifying, especially when you realize that everything we know is confined to a fragile blue dot floating among billions of stars. It's as if the cosmos itself is whispering secrets we're not ready to hear, and every glance at Earth from above feels like a reminder of how small, and maybe even insignificant, we are. But there's more to this cosmic view than just wonder and fear. As astronauts gaze down at our planet, they also see patterns and anomalies that seem almost unnatural. Strange shapes in the clouds, strange light reflections, or things that appear to move without explanation. These glimpses of the unknown fuel the curiosity that drives space exploration, even as they leave a lingering sense of mystery and unease. Picture this. It's a clear night in the vast expanse of the desert, and suddenly, something catches your eye. A flickering light, like a firefly but much more eerie, dances across the sky. This isn't just any ordinary glow. It's a mysterious phenomenon that has left scientists scratching their heads for years. Satellites have captured these strange lights, and they appear to be moving in patterns that defy explanation. Some people say it's a natural occurrence, like atmospheric phenomena, or even something related to the Earth's magnetic field. Others think it might be man-made, maybe some kind of secret military experiment, or even an alien signal trying to reach out. But no one can agree on what exactly is causing these lights, and that's part of what makes them so creepy. The lights seem to appear most often over deserts, which is odd because there are very few people around to witness them. This lack of human presence only adds to the mystery. Are they a sign of something hidden beneath the sand? Or maybe some kind of energy source we haven't discovered yet? No one knows for sure, and that's what makes this phenomenon so unsettling. What really gets to you is how these lights seem almost alive. They flicker, pulse, and sometimes even change colors in a way that feels deliberate. It's like they're trying to communicate with us, or maybe just watching from above. Imagine being alone in the desert, staring up at the sky, and seeing something that doesn't belong there, something you can't explain. Theories are endless, but one thing is certain. These lights have sparked a lot of speculation and fear. Some people say they're ghostly apparitions, or even signs of ancient alien technology. Others think it's just the Earth's natural glow reflecting off something we haven't seen yet. Either way, there's no denying that these strange lights over the desert are one of the most unsettling sights astronauts have ever encountered. Imagine floating above the vast, golden expanse of the Sahara Desert, where the sun beats down like a relentless drum and the sand stretches endlessly in every direction. Now picture this. You're looking at something that looks less like a natural formation and more like a carefully designed city, complete with straight lines, perfect angles, and structures that don't seem to align with anything we've seen on Earth. This is what some astronauts have reported seeing from space, sparking the imaginations of scientists, conspiracy theorists, and anyone who's ever stared at a map and wondered if there's something hidden beneath those dunes. What you're looking at from orbit isn't just random sand patterns or the result of wind shaping the Earth over millions of years. The formations are so precise that they resemble man-made structures, rows of rectangles, geometric shapes, and even what some have called pyramids scattered across the landscape. But here's the catch. There are no visible roads, buildings, or signs of human life anywhere near these strange shapes. It's like someone has drawn a blueprint on the desert floor and then disappeared without a trace. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, this looks like the ancient city of Timbuktu. Or maybe you're picturing something from a science fiction movie where aliens have left behind their advanced architecture. But this isn't just any old city. It's buried beneath the sands, hidden in plain sight. The fact that these patterns are so perfectly aligned and symmetrical has led some to speculate that they could be the remnants of an ancient civilization or even something more otherworldly. Of course, not everyone is convinced that this is anything other than a natural phenomenon. Geologists have suggested that these formations might actually be the result of geological processes, like wind erosion creating patterns over time or water carving out shapes in the sandstone beneath the surface. But then again, how do you explain the level of precision and symmetry? It's like someone has taken a ruler and drawn everything with perfect accuracy, only to leave no trace of their existence. What makes this discovery even more intriguing is that it wasn't just one astronaut who saw these strange patterns. Multiple space missions have captured images of what appears to be an alien city from above, each time raising new questions about the nature of these formations. Some scientists argue that we're looking at something ancient, possibly a lost civilization or even an extraterrestrial structure left behind long ago. Others suggest it's all just a trick of the light and perspective, with the sun casting shadows that make everything look more structured than it really is. From the vantage point of space, Earth is a breathtaking tapestry of light and shadow, but some sights are so otherworldly, they make even seasoned astronauts pause for a second. Among these eerie phenomena are the ghostly lights that flicker across the Arctic sky, often mistaken for auroras, a natural display of charged particles colliding with our atmosphere. But there's something about these lights that feels just a little too mysterious, like the universe is sending us a cryptic message in glowing hues. These strange lights don't behave like regular auroras. Instead of dancing in slow, undulating waves, they flicker erratically, sometimes appearing as if they're being pulled by an invisible hand. Some astronauts have reported seeing them pulsing with an almost unnatural rhythm, as though the Arctic sky itself is breathing. Or maybe it's just their own imagination playing tricks on them after a long day of floating in zero gravity. Scientists are baffled because these lights don't follow any known patterns that match natural atmospheric phenomena. Some theories suggest they might be caused by something like solar storms or electrical discharges. But even those explanations feel incomplete when you consider the way the lights seem to move with purpose. Could it be that we're witnessing a new kind of weather pattern, or perhaps an unknown form of energy interacting with our atmosphere? Another theory is that these ghostly lights are actually reflections from something else entirely. Some have speculated they could be remnants of ancient civilizations or even evidence of alien technology, though those ideas are more in the realm of science fiction than hard facts. Still, the idea that we might be looking at something beyond our current understanding is both thrilling and terrifying in equal measure. What makes these lights so unsettling isn't just their strange behavior. It's the way they seem to defy explanation. They appear without warning, vanish as quickly as they come, and leave astronauts with more questions than answers. It's like Earth is whispering secrets that we're not ready to hear, and the Arctic sky is the only one willing to share them. Have you ever stared at a satellite image of Earth and felt like the planet is hiding something? Well, astronauts and scientists have been scratching their heads over a mysterious dark spot that appears over Antarctica in some satellite images, only to vanish when others look. It's like trying to catch a ghost. It's there one moment, gone the next, leaving researchers with more questions than answers. This enigmatic dark area has been spotted by various satellites, and even by astronauts who've gazed at Earth from space. It appears as a roughly circular region that's significantly darker than the surrounding ice, making it stand out like a black hole on an otherwise white canvas. But here's the kicker: it doesn't appear in every image. Sometimes, when you look up the latest satellite data, it's gone, like someone magically erased it from existence. Theories about what this dark spot could be have ranged from the scientific to the outlandish. Some scientists suggest it might be a natural phenomenon caused by atmospheric conditions, or even something as simple as cloud cover that temporarily obscures the area. Others speculate that it could be related to human activity, like changes in ice composition due to climate change. However, none of these explanations have been definitively proven, because we just don't know for sure. There's also a lot of speculation about what might lie beneath this dark spot. Could it be an ancient city hidden under the ice? A secret research facility? Or perhaps something even more alien and bizarre? While some folks claim to have found evidence supporting these theories, most scientists remain skeptical. After all, if there were any real secrets buried in Antarctica, wouldn't we already know about them? What makes this mystery even more intriguing is that the dark spot appears to move. Sometimes it's over one part of Antarctica, and then it shifts several hundred kilometers away. This movement has led some to believe it might be connected to tectonic activity or even something more mysterious, like a natural anomaly that defies our current understanding of physics. Either way, it keeps scientists on their toes and space enthusiasts talking for years.